Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and Scooter West here in San Diego, California. So today I'm going to do one of those clickbaity unboxing videos. What I have here, this is straight from Vespa, of course. Oh, it says right here, 1951 Vespa inside. So let's see what we got here. So one thing about this 1951 Vespa, it's a little smaller, and I think I'm holding a couple of them just to give you a clue. So let's start unboxing and see what we got here. So let's carefully pull this 1951 out of its box. So I assume all of you Vespistas have watched Roman Holiday. It's the 1951 Vespa that's in that very famous movie. You may not be able to find the real thing, but I can find you one new in box, and we have it here at scooterwest.com. So this 1951 weighs in about 5 pounds here, and it's a officially licensed Vespa accessory, or I'll just get right to the point, a model of the 1951. And there you have it. A 1951 Vespa. So here you got a 1/4 scale model of the Vespa 1951 handlebar. You got the classic swan neck, the faro basso headlight on the fender here. It's got real rubber seats here. As the steering turns, it's got a center stand that goes down. Kickstart, you don't want to try that one out. It's kind of fixed in place. And last but not least, you got a spare tire that will go onto the rear rack, just like that. And I'll give you the full 360 view of it. So just like the real thing, it's got the control cables separate from the handlebars that you'd find on a 1951, a speedometer with a lens over it. Moving on down, you got the brake pedal. They even have the details such as the cable that acts on the brakes themselves. The little door under here doesn't really open, but you have the spark plug access door. You have a very detailed engine. The suspension on the front, the headlight, the horn, the seat, and even the classic 4 lug nuts on the front wheel. So if you've always wanted a classic faro basso Vespa and you don't have the real thing, nor do you have the room for one or the abilities to keep one up if you had one, you can have one for less than 1/4 the cost. Quite a bit less than 1/4 the cost of the original thing. So this is a 1/4 scale. You can find this on our website, scooterwest.com. The part number on this model is TO95. So thanks for watching. I apologize if this video was a little clickbaity. I would call every unboxing video on YouTube a little bit on the clickbaity side. It's kind of like fishing, going for the big fish sometimes. You unbox something, it for some reason always gets views. So if you're new to this channel, of course consider subscribing to our channel, Vespa Motorsport. Of course my channel mostly specializes in servicing and accessorizing your Vespa, both vintage and new Vespas. And once again, if you're looking for anything for your Vespa, your real full-size Vespa that you ride on the road, scooterwest.com, we got you covered. If you're in San Diego looking for a new Vespa, of course, give our dealership a call, or you can check them out on the web, vespamotorsport.com. Thanks again for watching. This is Robot here.